Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this one we are going to talk about the overview about the course, and you will learn what you can expect from the course on a very high level. Let's take a look. We are going to start with a very important topic, which is language models. Mostly it's going to be large language models, but also we are going to cover small language models, large multimodal models, reasoning models, and so on. We are focusing on that one, and related to that is LangChain. This is the main package that we are going to use. We are going to use LangChain for creating chains, and based on that we are able to interact with different providers. The main ones which are providing large language models like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic, and so on. So this is the foundation for everything else that is coming in the course. Large language models as the start, and I would recommend you to start with that one, and after that you are covered and you can jump into the next topics, which are then vector DBs and RAG systems. If you don't know about that one, that's not a problem. We are going to cover all of it in this large module. It's probably going to be the largest module of the course. So with RAG systems, with retrieval augmented generation, you are capable of interacting with your own documents, and there are many things related to that. Typically, the backend, the knowledge source of a RAG system is a vector database. So we are going to spend a lot of time understanding different systems of vector DBs. We are going to interact with FIS from Meta, with ChromaDB, and some other frameworks like Llama Index, which are very helpful in maintaining and creating such vector databases. And related to all of that is the data ingestion pipeline, which means that we are starting out with some data source and we are operating over several steps, and at the end the data is represented in some vectorized form in a database. So this is the foundation, and based on that we are going to develop some very simple baseline RAG system at the beginning, and on top of that we are going to learn a lot more advanced features of RAG systems so that you have a broad knowledge about what is possible with modern technique nowadays. So that's the second pillar of our course, and the last one is agentic systems. So in agentic systems you are going to learn about many different frameworks which are around to make your models very capable of interacting with tools, working on tasks independently, and some of the frameworks are mentioned here, but as the field is progressing very quickly, it might be that other ones are going to be added. For now, we are starting out with LangGraph as one very popular framework. Another one is CrewAI, which is very helpful in creating powerful multi-agent systems. And then we also have the big players. We have OpenAI with some agentic framework, and Google just created some so-called Google ADK, Agent Development Kit. So all of them are going to be covered in this course, and you will learn what they are capable of, but also what their limitations are. So these are the main blocks of the course, but on top of that there are going to be some other ones which I didn't mention here. Something like prompt engineering is going to be added at some place, and also new and upcoming techniques are going to be presented as well. So the course is going to grow over time, but you can already expect to learn very much in this course, and we're going to dive into it very quickly. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next lecture.